welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria, and for you, my first time viewers who are joining me for the very first time, welcome. Guys, today I have a delicious, tasty pastry that I'm making. One of my favorite, banana bread. I have a love-hate relationship with pastry because I love them. I think they hate me because they let me get like this when I eat so many of them. So that's why I don't make a lot, but I love banana bread, banana muffin, everything bananas. I love bananas, one of my favorite fruits to eat. And I always make banana cake for my mother, right mother? And so today I'm making banana bread. So let me begin by showing you guys my delicious ingredients to make my banana bread. Guys, here are all my ingredients to make my delicious banana bread. And I think after you make this banana bread, this is going to be one of your favorite banana bread to make. Just moderate, okay? Eat it moderate. So vegetable oil, walnuts, optional, salt, baking soda, vanilla, bananas, flour, sugar, eggs, raisins, optional, and butter. So guys, I start with my butter first. So guys, I set my oven at 350 for 55 minutes to 60 minutes. I love using baking paper. It's like whatever I bake, easy to just come out and just not stick in the pan. So now, now to take it out. Inside there smells like a bakery. It smells so good in here. Okay, so I love using my baking paper because it makes everything just so easy. Wow. I let it go for a little bit. Okay, so oh gosh, it smells so good in here. So I'm just going to cut a little piece. Take my time because it's so soft and I don't want it to break. I want to have the perfect cut. Okay, so amazing inside here. But you guys will have the same scent when you make your banana bread as well. And all my ingredients is in my description box as usual. Remember to click on my description box. Guys, this banana bread is just tasty. It's so moist, and the raisins, I love raisins, so that's why I use raisins. And I just eat raisins just like that because raisins is such a brain food. And walnut, I love walnut for all the health benefits. And I'm gonna make walnut milk one of these days because I have plenty of walnut here. And bananas, there's so much vitamin in banana and potassium and whatnot. So even though this is pastry, it is still healthy. Just eat them in moderation. And as usual, I'm gonna make sure that I give some to my neighbors so I don't stay here all weekend and eat banana bread because, as I said, pastry and I have a love-hate relationship. I eat them, they taste yummy, and they let me get big. And I don't want that. So guys, remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I can't wait to see you in my next video. And if you're not following me on my social media, all my social media is in my description box as well. And also sometimes I leave them in my pinned comment, but you're welcome to reply to my pinned comment. I love when you guys comment. It's a communication between us. And for new visitors to come and look and decide to stay for a while. So that's it guys, I cannot wait to see you in my next video.